Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to review the Wix AI Website Builder, the tool from Wix that uses artificial intelligence to design a personalized website for you in just a few minutes. Unlike traditional drag-and-drop builders where you start from a blank canvas or a template, Wix AI takes your input, understands your business or personal needs, and generates a ready-to-use website tailored to your style and goals. When you start with Wix AI, the process begins by answering a few simple questions. The AI asks about the type of website you need, whether it's for a business, portfolio, blog, or online store, as well as your preferred features, style, and even the tone you want your site to convey. Once you've provided your answers, Wix's AI automatically builds a complete website, complete with relevant pages, images, and text. This is a huge time saver compared to starting from scratch, especially for beginners who may not know where to begin. One of the strongest aspects of Wix AI is how it balances speed with customization. The generated site is fully editable using Wix's drag-and-drop editor, meaning you can adjust layouts, replace images, tweak text, or completely redesign certain sections without losing the core structure the AI provided. You also have access to the full Wix app market to add features like booking systems, online stores, events, and more. The AI also considers design best practices, so your site is built to look clean, professional, and mobile responsive from the start. You don't have to manually optimize every element for different screen sizes. The system automatically adapts your site for mobile, tablet, and desktop viewing. On top of that, the AI incorporates SEO-friendly structures, so your site is better positioned to rank in search engines right away. Performance-wise, since it's built on Wix's platform, your site comes with secure cloud hosting, automatic backups, and the ability to handle traffic without additional setup. You can connect your own domain, use Wix's email marketing tools, and track visitors with built-in analytics. There are some limitations to keep in mind. While the AI-generated starting point is impressive, it's not perfect. You may still want to customize images, rewrite text to fit your brand voice, and adjust layouts for a unique look. Also, some advanced custom features may still require manual setup or coding with Wix's Velo platform. Overall, the Wix AI Website Builder is ideal for individuals, small businesses, and entrepreneurs who want a professional-looking site without spending days designing it themselves. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and gives you a polished starting point you can refine to make your own. If you've been putting off building your website because you don't have the time or design skills, this tool can get you online in less than an hour while still allowing you the flexibility to grow and customize over time. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.